How to connect interface to Bandlab. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect your audio interface to Bandlab, enabling you to record vocals, instruments, or podcasts with professional quality. Whether you're using a computer or mobile device, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your audio interface. Plug your audio interface into your computer using the appropriate USB cable. Ensure the device is powered on and properly connected. Step 2. Configure system audio settings. Windows. Right-click to the sound icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Input and Output, choose your audio interface. For Mac users, go to System Preferences, Sound, and select your audio interface for both input and output. Step 3. Set up in Bandlab. Open your web browser and navigate to bandlab.com. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Click on Create, New Project, Voice Mic, or Instrument. In the track settings, select your audio interface as the input device. Click the Ready Record button to start recording. Now, I'll show you how to connect your audio interface on mobile. Step 1. Connect your audio interface. Use an appropriate adapter, USB or Lightning, to connect your audio interface to your mobile device. Ensure the interface is organized by your device. Step 2. Set up in Bandlab app. Open the Bandlab app on your mobile device. Tap the More button and select Voice Mic or Guitar Bass. In the track settings, choose your audio interface as the input source. Tap the Ready Record button to begin recording. And that's it. You successfully connect your audio interface to Bandlab. Now you're ready to record high quality audio directly into your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.